My name is Carrie Holmes. I am the Pro Bono Director at the Harriet Buhai Center for Family Law. I have practiced exclusively family law for my whole career. I have been licensed now for 7 years. I'm a double Bruin, so I did my undergrad and my law school both at UCLA. And prior to coming to the Buhai Center, I was in private practice family law in Beverly Hills and Century City, working with a wonderful attorney named Annie Wishengrad. My professional achievements that are particularly meaningful to me tend to be a little bit less glamorous, I think, than maybe some others. I am especially proud that law students and newer attorneys return to the center to work under my supervision. I'm especially proud of clients whose cases I have worked on who leave the center feeling empowered and talking about the businesses that they're going to start and the classes they're going to take in school and the big changes they're going to make in their lives. Those are the key accomplishments for me that really matter. So my experience with BHBA has been that the members are incredibly welcoming, really encouraging, really friendly. I think, Beverly Hills in sort of the culture has this kind of elitist tinge to it, and that can maybe carry over into how people think about the Bar Association. But I've actually found it to really be the opposite. Everyone is so kind, and I've made such really wonderful friendships, even coming from a nonprofit pro bono background, where I'm not going to be a referral source for anyone in my current role. I have made incredible relationships with the other members. And so that's been the key takeaway for me from the Bar Association, is really how welcoming it is. The guidance that I like to pass on to law students or to newer lawyers is that there's so much in practice that's outside of our control. And if you're an anxious person or a person who cares a lot about their work, that can be really challenging to deal with on an emotional level. And so I encourage newer attorneys and law students to focus on what you can control. And ultimately what that is how hard you work and how well prepared you are. And if you focus on those two things and use them as a guiding light, even when results happen that you weren't prepared for or don't prefer, that's going to see you through. I would also encourage everyone, if you're meeting a more experienced attorney and talking to them, ask them to tell you a story about a time when they made a mistake or made an error, because you'll see that even these giants, even these lions in the field, have had times where they have had learning experiences, and that can be a really comforting thing as well.